Sorry folks, the knock is off there. Anyway, the unboxing today is of a USBC charger plug. So I'll unbox it now and show you. It's in a, I don't know what colour the box is folks, but this is it. Just gonna take off the packaging out of the box itself. Plug. This empty box right now. This is the plug you see, right? So we'll unbox the plug. So we will carefully, as we go. There we are. There's that out. There we go. Come on. Stop there. Plugs out. Now just unwrap it from its packaging. Plug. It was a quick unboxing today folks, and for anyone who doesn't like my unboxing videos, just suck it up and watch the video. And this was the video of the day. It's a charging plug. I get this part back in here. Set that down. And I'll save it. I'll save the charge. I know it's going to charge for a fact. Right. Right. Read. Right, so that's that in 100%, I'll say. Right. I know, okay. So I have my USBC charger plug. Where is it? Right, this shit. I think it is in up here. Right, so folks, here is the the lead what I'll be using to charge my iOS devices on. Here's the piece to connect to USB-C. I'll grab my USB-C plug and see if it fits. Here's the moment of truth folks. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna see if it charges this. Are you ready? Clip them pretty quick, like a pop, more or less, and we will.
Take picture. Stop recording video. Button. Camera control status. Viewfinder. Image. 3 minutes. 36 seconds. Stop recording video. Button. Notifications. Stop recording video. Button. 2 notifications.
Right.
Stop recording video. Speech off.
I'll let us hear it with charging now. I'll stick it under the 8th plus. See if that charges. I know the battery's at 100% folks. You charge it too. And yeah, no, that keeper.
100% charged. 1 notification. LW power mode. Turn off. 100% charged. 100% charged. 3:43 p.m.
Oh yes,
LW power mode. Turn off. 6 minutes ago.
it works. And that is the tutorial of the video of the USB-C charger plug. So right down to there. Who's all liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe.